In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how to add multiple photos on WhatsApp status. This enhances storytelling by allowing you to share moments in a sequence. Now, if you want to add your photos in a grid just like so, the easiest way is to simply head to Instagram. Tap right here to add story. You will then select the camera option. Now click on this grid icon to select a layout. Here, you just want to tap right here to choose the photos you want to add. It's just a matter of tapping right here to add a new photo to another part of the grid. Now once everything is set, tap onto these three dots to save to gallery. You want to head to your WhatsApp. Tap right here to add status. Select the saved photos in a grid and then click right here to share to public. Well, that's the easiest and faster way to share multiple photos in a grid on WhatsApp status. And if you find this video helpful, consider subscribing to our channel for more informative tutorials like this one.